Have you ever started downloading a file from Mega only to see a transfer limit message? Yeah, it can be frustrating. In this guide, I'll explain why Mega download limits happen and show you the practical ways to deal with them without relying on risky workarounds. Let's get started. First, understand that Mega can apply transfer limits based on your account and current usage. These limits control how much data can be transferred during a certain period. When you reach a limit, downloads may pause until your available transfer allowance is restored. Next, sign in to your Mega account and review your current plan and transfer information. Your available allowance can depend on the account type and Mega's current policies. Check the account page rather than relying on an old screenshot or outdated tutorial. If you've reached your transfer limit, the simplest option is often to wait until your allowance becomes available again. You can pause the download, close the browser or app, and return later. This is especially useful when the file isn't urgent, so sometimes the best fix is simply giving the quota time to reset. While waiting, make sure your internet connection is stable. A slow or interrupted connection can make large downloads take longer, but remember, changing your network doesn't necessarily remove an account-based transfer limit. Don't confuse a connection problem with a Mega quota restriction. If you regularly download large amounts of data, check whether your current Mega plan meets your needs. Mega may offer different account options with different transfer allowances. Review the current plans and pricing on Mega's official website before making a decision. Yeah, this is the most straightforward option for frequent heavy downloads. One more thing, be careful with websites, browser extensions, or tools that promise to bypass Mega limits. They may expose your account, files, or personal information. Instead, use Mega's official app or website and follow the current transfer rules. I mean, saving your account is more important than forcing one download through. So if Mega shows a download limit, check your transfer status, verify your account plan, wait for the available quota when necessary. And consider a suitable plan if you frequently need more transfer capacity. Avoid questionable bypass tools and stick with official options. That should keep your downloads safe and predictable.